Right, so we just log into the console here, as we normally would, username and password. Right, so I just want to check that our existing state for our infrastructure is clean, right? So no VPCs, no subnets, no root tables, and so on. No internet gateways, no endpoints configured, so on and so forth. Right, we'll also go back into S3 just to take a look what kind of our bucket state is. We should have one, right? So one is where all our scripts and templates get deployed, but we've nothing else, right? So we've no target for DDVE yet or whatever. So here we go to our GitHub, right? So they link in the blog. Here's our YAML file. This is the stuff that does all the magic. We'll download this to our desktop. And we'll use the CloudFormation. So here you go, it's downloaded to the desktop. Yeah, so into CloudFormation. So again, just log into the console again. I've opened two consoles here. Right, go to CloudFormation, pretty straightforward. Upload the template file, choose the file, the YAML file we just downloaded, open. All right, well, you view this first in the designer and we'll go back and open it again, right? So, but it's nice to just view in the designer here and you can see what it actually visually does, right? So here you have a picture of the routes, the subnets, the internet gateway, and so on, and the template YAML file on the company. So you can actually mess around with it here and create your own template from the designer, but we won't do that here. So just exit out of that, go back in, and we'll upload the file again. Click next. Now there is two parameters we have to enter here: stack name, right, which could be anything really, but the S3 bucket name, right? So the S3 has to be unique, so I couldn't give a specific name in the file itself. So every time you run the script, this is going to have to be different, and a globally unique S3 bucket, but it also has to be lowercase, or else the stack will fail. Like all resources. Pretty straightforward. Let's see here, our S3 configured name. Let me just set that. Alright, so this kicks off the process, or the stack process, pulls down the YAML file and executes it via the API. Right, so you can see the resources here being created. Go to events, you see create in progress. So this shouldn't take too much time, but this is nice to look here. Resources again, you can see stuff that's getting created or create complete. See resources here again every couple of seconds. Browse to the template, you can see our template here. So lots of create complete here. So let's refresh here. Yeah, so we're done. All right, can create complete. Good. All right. So just go to the outputs here. So I configured one output just so I can know what my S3 bucket is as an output of the script, rather than having to dig into the script or remember it actually. All right. So here I go back into our VPCs. Right. So it's actually created. Subnets have been spun up. Our root tables are there. Our root tables associated with subnets. Internet gateway is there. Our S3 endpoint is there, and so on, right? And we just log into S3 here, and we'll see that our bucket is also created in the region that we deploy the script, right? So you can see the URL DDVE West 1, and there's our bucket. Let's go back into VPC here again. You can see it on the view here. There's a kind of graphical view at the bottom, right? So you see that in the resource map.